Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine. Children, second lesson social, fourth class social, second lesson workbook part. Yes, open your page number, your social workbook page number 8. Yes children, multiple choice question. It is 15th question. Okay. A famous geologist spoke about a discovery made in the rocky layer of the earth. Which layer was he talking about? The answer, children. The options, four options are there. Yes, and the correct answer is C. Correct answer is C. Yes, and the 16th one. What could be caused by the movements of continents? Yes, what is the answer, children? It is four options are there. The correct answer is A. It is earthquakes. Yes, the short answer question. Okay, children. 17th one, children. Suhail's uncle. Okay. Iqbal travels a lot for work. At times, he only messages the coordinates of a place and not the name of the city he is visiting. Can Suhail locate the place his uncle is visiting from the coordinates? How can he do so? Yes, children, the answer, yes. Children, this answer will be not enough in the workbook. The place will be not enough. Yes, you have to write in the classwork. This answer you have to write in the classwork. Okay, children? Every place is situated on a latitude and a longitude. Together, they make the coordinates of a place. Therefore, they can be used to locate any place on the earth. Yes, Suhail can use the coordinates to locate the place his uncle is visiting on a globe. Yes, children? I am repeating once again, children. Every place is situated on a latitude and a longitude. Together, they make the coordinates of a place. Therefore, they can be used to locate any place on the earth. Suhail can use the coordinates to locate the place his uncle is visiting on a globe. This answer you have to write in the classwork, children. This copy the question from the workbook and write the answer in the classwork. Okay? Take the screenshot of this answers, children. Children, first you have to write in the classwork new words. Then only you have to write the question and answers. Yes, children? I will tell the end of this session. Okay? Children, 18th question. On which layer of the earth does life mostly exist? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, children? The answer is on the board. Life mostly exists on the crust because this layer is cooler and harder compared to the earth's interior. Yes, I am repeating once again, children. Life mostly exists on the crust because this layer is cooler and harder compared to the earth's interior. I am repeating once again. Life mostly exists on the crust because this layer is cooler and harder compared to the earth's interior. Yes, children? Okay? And the next one, long answer question. Number the pictures to show the correct order of events. In the correct order, which event would the picture shows? What would have happened if the event did not take place? Yes, children, there are three pictures. Which one is first in this? Yes, this is first. Yes, This is second and this is third one. Yes? And the answer, children, the pictures show how continental, okay, drift took place. The information of continents as they are today would not be possible if continental drift had not taken place. Yes, children? Okay? Children, I am repeating once again. The pictures show how continental, okay, drift took place. The formation of continents as they are today would not be possible if continental drift had not taken place. Yes, children, I'll move aside. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Children, page number 9, long answer question. This is the picture. Okay? Okay, children? Louvre Museum. It is located in France, Europe. Find out its coordinates. Will you be able to reach the museum using only the coordinates? Why do you think so? You have to write as a homework, children, this one. Yes? Okay? Yes, children. Your homework, children. You have to write page number 9, long answer question in workbook. This is your homework, children. Page number 9, you have to write this answer in the workbook. Okay, children? Children, take your classwork, social classwork it is. Yes, you have to write lesson number 2, the new words, continents and oceans on earth. Yes, the first one, new words. Continents, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. You have to write 3 times. It will become 4 times, children. This is 1, 2, draw a line here, 3, 4. Yes? And next, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, crust, vertical, horizontal, latitudes, longitudes, intervals, hemisphere, climatic. This also you have to write 4 times, children. This it becomes 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Okay, children? Yes, children. Your classwork, you have to write the question answers. From the workbook, you have to write 12th one, 13th one and 17th one. Yes, these 3 question answers you have to write in the classwork. From the workbook, you have to write in the classwork. Yes, children?